Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best heavy-duty gate hardware is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of building or maintaining a secure and functional wooden fence. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect heavy-duty gate hardware for your needs, covering crucial factors like weight capacity, material durability, ease of installation, and overall security features to help you make an informed decision and avoid costly mistakes down the line. Number 5. Heavy-Duty Fence Gate Kit. It's built with heavy-duty steel and a black powder coat finish. This ensures long-lasting stability and can support up to 1,000 pounds. The interior brackets lock the frame together during assembly. This prevents sagging and keeps your gate looking great for years to come. It swings open a full 180 degrees, making it easy to access. You'll never have to worry about it obstructing your passage. No complicated angle measuring is needed, just a simple hand drill. You can build a sturdy gate in about 20 minutes. Everything you need is included, for brackets, hinges, and screws. It's ready for quick and easy assembly. It's ideal for fences, sheds, windows, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your gate needs. What we like. If you need a gate that can support a lot of weight, this is the one for you. Its anti-sag design ensures your gate stays in place, and the easy installation means you can have it up and running in minutes. If you're looking for a heavy-duty solution that's quick to install, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I built and hung a 6-foot-long by 4-foot-high gate by myself. It weighs approximately 70 pounds. It is solid, square, and level. This kit was perfect for my gates to my backyard. They are high quality and were quite easy to install. The gates are strong and secure. This is an extremely sturdy and well-designed kit. If you need to make a gate, buy it. Number 4. HILLMASTER Hardware Wood Gate Set. This is the ultimate solution for securing your outdoor spaces. It's built to last and easy to install. It's made from durable steel with a sleek black finish. This ensures it will withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. The kit comes with all the necessary screws and hardware for a quick and easy installation. You'll be enjoying your new gate in no time. It features a heavy-duty latch that opens from both sides, with a single handle for easy operation. It's designed to handle gates up to 60 pounds. It's perfect for a variety of applications, from barn doors and garage doors to fence gates and screen doors. It's the perfect all-around gate hardware solution. The kit includes 2 8-inch decorative strap hinges, a latch, a handle, and all the necessary mounting hardware. Everything you need is right here. The latch and handle are designed for right-hand doors. For left-hand doors, you'll need to reverse the installation. Detailed instructions are available online. What we like. This kit offers a touch of elegance with its decorative hinges. It's also incredibly easy to install, and the durable steel construction ensures it will last for years. If you're looking for a stylish and functional option that's simple to install, this is a great choice for your fence gate. Number 3. Steel Gate Latch with 8 Handle. This gate latch is built to last. Its durable steel construction and black finish ensure years of reliable use, securing your gates and doors. It features a convenient self-locking mechanism. Simply press the button to open, and it automatically locks shut. It's perfect for a variety of gates and doors, whether they swing inward or outward. Use it on your fence, barn, or shed. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary hardware and clear instructions for a quick and easy setup. Everything you need is included: the latch, an 8-inch handle, mounting screws, and instructions. Get started right away. What we like. This self-locking latch adds an extra layer of security to your gate. It's easy to install and made from durable steel for long-lasting performance. If you prioritize security and ease of installation, this latch is ideal for your needs. What people say. Heavy-duty gate latch works perfectly, very easy to install, looks a lot more expensive than the price, very durable. I have a dog that can open gates, but with this gate latch he can't open a gate. It seems like latch appears to be solidly built, providing a reasonable level of security for my gate. Its straightforward design allows for easy operation, and it blends decently with the overall appearance. This works great and as intended, the instructions are good enough for me, the only issue was the thickness of my gate. The actuator bar that passes through the gate to unlock from the outside wasn't long enough to engage the latch, so I did a zip tie fix to get it to work right, but it's great, locks from the inside. Just make sure to measure your gate, the actuator bar is probably 5 to 6 inches long. Number 2. HILLMASTER Gate Latch Kit. This heavy-duty kit is built from steel with a superior black powder coat finish for lasting durability and corrosion resistance. It's designed for simple yet solid security on gates and doors, adding a touch of classic style to any outdoor space. It features a self-latching mechanism for easy one-handed operation, or use the cord for added convenience. The T-shaped hinges provide smooth, quiet operation, even in extreme temperatures. This kit is perfect for wood, vinyl, or metal gates and doors, both indoors and out. Use it on garden gates, fences, sheds, or even animal shelters. It's incredibly versatile. The kit includes everything you need for installation, including hinges, latch, handle, and screws. Clear instructions are provided, making installation a breeze, regardless of your experience level. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, we're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. What we like. This kit features a self-closing latch for added convenience and security, and the 270° hinges allow for maximum gate opening. The durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you want a convenient and secure gate solution with wide-opening hinges, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to install. I didn't put the string through the wood as our fence isn't too high. Works great. Stays closed. Hinges are medium size. I wouldn't recommend them for a large gate, but I used them on my garden gate and another gate that I had. They work well. Hinges are great. Number 1. HILLMASTER 4-inch Gate Wheel. This gate wheel kit is built to last. Its sturdy construction and durable materials ensure years of reliable use. It's made from hard rubber and heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant finish. This ensures it can handle even the heaviest gates with ease. The wheel features a 360° swivel design and spring suspension. This makes opening and closing your gate effortless and prevents sagging. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary mounting screws and pre-drilled holes for a quick and easy setup. It's perfect for various gate types and locations: vinyl, metal, wood, pool gates, and more. It's a great addition to your garden, yard, or patio. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This gate wheel kit makes opening and closing heavy gates effortless. The 360° swivel allows for smooth movement in any direction, and the easy installation makes setup a breeze. If you have a heavy gate that's difficult to open, this kit will make a world of difference. What people say. Quality wheel that supports the weight of a wood and vinyl gate I built. This product takes the weight of the gate and keeps it from sagging. Made of heavy-duty steel. The gate will need replaced before this wheel does. They installed easy and work great. Just what was needed. Used both on one heavy wooden gate works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.